Hi guys, this is Gaurav. In this video, we are going to learn how to change a prompt theme, right? If you don't like this theme like white color, white background on prompt, so you can change this theme, right? So here we need to do some settings, very simple settings. You need to click on this dot and go to the setting, and here you will see the option uh, side menu and click on here, and you will see the option of parents. Click here, and here we are going to click on theme here, and now you can see a lot of themes here. You will see them and you will see a lot of so we are going to clear run. Just click on this theme and to click on this theme and wait some seconds to create the theme and click on add to prompt, and that one is completed, right? Click on the new tab and you will see here our theme will change, right? You can change any theme, like a lot of themes you can change. There are a lot of themes you can choose another theme, right? And if you want to undo this theme and if you want to remove this theme, you can click on undo option and you can remove the theme manually, right? From this setting option right here. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubts, you can ask me on comment. Thank you so much. Like that.